Hi, welcome friends, welcome to our channel Back4Tech. So today we will be visiting a website called as Ninite, N-I-N-I-T-E, right? It is a website where you will be able to download and install multiple applications simultaneously. So if you have already heard or visited this particular website, there is nothing new in this particular video. If you haven't, please watch till the end of this video so that you can learn something new, right? So this is a website from where you will be able to download and install multiple programs simultaneously. Like you might have had this experience once in a while, like for running your particular application, it might be asking or it will be saying that you will be needing something called as a runtime environment. If you want to have this thing, you will have to go, it might be either Java or it will be something called as .NET. So it will be asking, you will be needing Java runtime environment to run this particular application, or you will be needing .NET framework for running this particular application. You might have faced this problem. If you have faced, what you might have done is you might have gone to the parent website, either to Java or to .NET, and you might have downloaded and installed this particular application, right? So again, going to these two different websites and downloading and installing this particular application, instead what we can do is we can directly go to this particular website called as Ninite, and we will be able to download and install this applications with a single click. Or there are some other applications like some of the audio files which you might have got from the mail or from some other place, something like an FLV. It might not be playing correctly in your default Windows media player. So you might have downloaded and installed VLC player or something similar to VLC player, so that that particular file will be played exactly, right? This you might have faced the similar thing, right? So if you have, please see that this option is much simpler or much easier when compared to what we used to do earlier. So we'll directly go into the website and we'll explore what all options it can provide, right? Right. So again, what we'll do is we'll start with our browser. I am using Chrome for browsing today. Again, we'll go into the website. We'll directly go into the website. It is ninite.com, right? So this is the basic layout. Again, as you could see, we will be able to select these many applications. We can directly give tick mark and it will be selected, right? Other thing is they are providing something like news information, like in this particular set of applications which have been updated recently. So once in a while, each applications will be providing us with some updates or something new, right? So those things, even those things will be updated here, right? Again, we'll browse through the headings, at least what all applications are they providing. Again, these all are free softwares or free downloadable applications. So it is in any way free of cost, right? So again, whenever you have installed your computer, the default browser in Windows will be either Internet Explorer or it will be Edge, right? So you might not have used those things. You will be needing either Firefox or Chrome. So you might have downloaded and installed any of those two. Again, I also use both Firefox and Chrome. So for the demonstration purpose, what I will do is I will go with Opera. Then again, file sharing, BitTorrents. If you want to download something from the torrent, you will be needing something like a BitTorrent, MuTorrent, or something similar, right? This is something similar to that. Again, if you are a programmer, then you are having a huge set of applications where you will be able to download and install these applications to do your programming. Then there is something called as messaging apps. Zoom is there, Skype is there, then there are others. Again, there are something like miscellaneous apps. Evernote is one thing which is pretty useful if you are using both in Android as well as in your the integration is seamless. So it is a nice thing to have. So what I will do is I will try to install Evernote. Then there is something called as media. There are many players, and some of them are very common, right? VLC is there, Winamp is there. Winamp is something which I used to use in my engineering days. So what I will do is I will try to install Winamp today, so that it is again just for the nostalgic purpose. As of now, I have installed something like a KLI Kodak, which is more than capable of delivering whatever I need. So, but for the demonstration purpose, I will install this thing. Again, this there something called as runtime environments. Java is there, .NET is there, Silverlight is there. So, if you want those things, you will be able to download and install. Then there are normal utilities like TeamViewer, it is there, Image Burner, something like an Aero. If you want to write something to your CDs, DVDs, or something of that sort, you will be able to use that. And TerraCopy is one application which is very useful. I will show you how it can be used in a separate video. Then there are imaging apps. We will not get Photoshop or something paid in this particular application, but these are all free softwares where you will be able to do image editing. GIMP is there, IrfanView is again. GIMP is something which I will be able to, like, I will show you how it can be done. Then document reader, something like LibreOffice is there, OpenOffice is there. Those two are again free softwares which is equivalent to your Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. So these are very useful applications which you will be able to use. Then there is something called as Foxit Reader, which is useful for PDF reading, and again PDF purposes. Reading PDF, it will be useful. Then there are online storage softwares. Again, Google is there, OneDrive is there, then Dropbox is there. So if you are using those things, you will be able to do that. Then security, there are some very common antiviruses which is available. Avast is free, VJ is free, everything is free, but you will be able to download and install these things from here. Then there are something called as compressions. Again, this you might have happened. Something came in your mail and you have downloaded the file, but you are not able to open that particular file. Maybe it is because it is of .rar in nature. File extension, it is of .rar. Then you will be needing something like either a 7-zip or something like a WinRAR to do that, right? So these are the applications which they have. What I will do is I will try to install Opera, Evernote, and Winamp for the demonstration purpose. Once you selected your applications, what you should do is you should go for the second step, that is get your 9.8, right? So a small file again which is of very small in nature, it will be downloaded. Again here it is clearly mentioned that this installer includes Keynote, then Opera, then Winamp, right? So I will click on next, and again it will be showing this particular thing. Opera is initially downloaded, then second thing will be Winamp, and third will be Evernote, right? Meantime, what we'll do is we'll look into their website for more information. There is something called as 9.8 Pro. This is a paid version of 9.8 where you will be able to download and install this particular 9.8 application in your computer. Once you do that, what it does is it looks into your computer and will say that a new update has been came in. If you want to install that thing, you will be able to do that. So frequently it will be looking for the updates, and it will try to install those updates if whenever the app provider provides it. So again, you can either keep it to the automatic mode, or you can keep it to something like a manual mode. So those things you will be able to do. Again, there are something else, like there are many things that has been mentioned over here. You will be able to go there and you will be able to see how this can be done, this can be installed, or if you want to subscribe it for your enterprise or for your independent use, then you will be able to do that. Again, pricing is also mentioned over here. So once this is done, you will get something similar to this thing. Everything will be okay, and you will be getting the animation, right? So as you could see, one is being installed and other is being downloaded, right? So you might have seen the same thing. So what I will do is I will try to open these particular applications in my computer, so that you will be able to see how it is opening up and how it is there. So once it is completed, you can give close, and you can look for those applications. Initially I will try to open my Winamp. Once I select any of those skins, what I will do is I will open Winamp. So it will be saving the settings, and it will open. Meantime, what I can do is I will look for the other thing, Evernote, right? So I will look for Evernote. Once I accept this particular agreement, that particular application will open up. Again, you can register. If you have registered it already with your Google ID, then you will be able to sync it with your documents. So again, Opera is also open, so that is one thing you will be able to see. Winamp is now open, and as you could see, it starts up with the noise. Again, I don't think you will be able to see that, you will be able to hear that particular sound, but still, that is nice, right? Again, Opera is also there. So I'll not be using Opera. I haven't used it much, so I don't think I will be using this particular Opera more. But what I will do is I can show you that this is how you will be able to install something from Ninite, right? So this is for today, and thanks for watching. And if you are new to this particular channel, please subscribe to our channel, and I hope you have learned something new today. And what I can tell you is that please press the bell icon in the notification area, so that you will get the intimation whenever I publish a new video, right? And if you want to ask me something, or if you want to convey something to my side, please make use of the comment box, right? Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye bye for now. See you.